In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT with Pictory.ai to create fully automated AI YouTube videos. Now, these are perfect if you want to garner attention to sell a product, to promote your own product, or if you just want to garner attention and build up a YouTube channel. Now, first, before we create any YouTube video, we need a niche and we need a video idea. Now, you can use ChatGPT to create video ideas, but I've already got my idea, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an article about car camping for beginners in a relaxed, friendly tone. Car camping is where someone chooses to sleep overnight in their car in like really beautiful locations. So we're going to enter this here, and ChatGPT should now write us an article about car camping. Okay, so here is our article. Now, if we're not happy with this and if it's a bit short for a YouTube video, we can get ChatGPT to expand this article longer. And this will get ChatGPT to rewrite this article but make it longer. For an 8-minute YouTube video, you need around 1,000 words. So if you can get ChatGPT to create a 1,000-word article, then you've pretty much got an 8-minute YouTube video. Okay, so now we've got an article written by ChatGPT, which is longer. Now, just a quick tip, if ChatGPT at any time stops, you can see here it was writing an article, then it says, in conclusion, car camping is a wonderful way, and it just stops. If you just type in continue, then it should just continue. So now what we can do is we can use this script here in Pictory.ai. So we're going to go ahead and copy this and then head over to Pictory. I'll leave all links to this in the description below, by the way. So now you can go ahead and start your free trial and sign up. You can see on the pricing section, with the Pictory free trial, you can create up to 3 video projects, which are each 10 minutes long. So go ahead and get started and try this for yourself. So once you're inside Pictory, you should be on the dashboard. Now they have 4 options that you can use, but in this video, we're going to cover the script to video option. And you can see this is good for educational videos and all of these videos here. So go ahead and click on proceed, and you can then enter your video name. So for me, the video name is car camping for beginners. Then we're going to go ahead and paste in the script. So I'm going to paste that in here and just remove where I told ChatGPT to continue. Okay, so now we've got our script here. So now we can go ahead and proceed here in the top right hand corner. Now it's going to ask you what subtitles you want. Now you can choose here for a variety of different options. And the one I like to go with is just this default one here. So it's just white text on a black background. So if you click select, and you can then choose the aspect ratio, which if you're creating YouTube videos, you need 16:9. It will then load up the editing window. Okay, so now we've got our video into Pictory.ai. Now this might be a bit confusing, so let me just explain what each segment means. So first here, you've got the different scenes. Now it will take your script and it will put them into different scenes. So you've got scene 1, you can also click on scene 2, and you can see the text will change depending on what scene you're clicking on. So here on scene 1, it says car camping is a fantastic way to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and enjoy the great outdoors. So we're going to go to visual, and we can then find a video of car camping, which is relevant to our video here. So if I type in here car camping and click enter, we'll see what they've got. So they've got a lot of options, but this video here seems to be relevant. So we'll click on this, and you can see that adds on to the first slide. So now we've got this video with this text here. Now what we can do now, we've got a video in the background. If you click on the text, it's going to open this tool here, or this like window where you can edit the text. You can make it bigger if you want bigger subtitles, and if you click here, it's going to apply this position to all of the scenes, so you don't have to change everything manually. So now if we go to scene 2, we can add, it's a beginner-friendly activity that's perfect for those who love to travel and explore new places. So now we'll just type in something like explore, and we'll choose this one. So now we've got scene 2. Now you need to go ahead and go through all of this, and you can choose relevant videos for your scene. Now, one thing to note here, I've chosen a really hard niche, which is car camping, but if you choose like an easier niche, then Pictory.ai usually fills in these scenes automatically, and you just have to skim through and change a couple of them. But it honestly doesn't take long to do it manually, and you'd want to go through and manually add these anyway. And you can see you're now starting to build out your video. Now, one thing that I would also add, as well as your visuals and your text, you want to go to audio, and you can then add audio. Now you can add background music, and you can add text-to-speech voice. So we're just going to choose one. We'll just choose this one. I don't know what it is, but you can preview it. You can also go to audio settings, which I would 100% recommend, and bring this background audio way down to about 10%, 15%. Then go to voiceover, and here you can choose whether you want a voiceover. Now you can use the built-in voiceovers on Pictory, or you can go ahead and import your own voiceover as well. To do that, you would then go to My Uploads and you can drag an audio file. Now people do this because the voiceovers in Pictory isn't great. Like, we'll just choose a random one for this video, we'll apply this one. And when we render it and preview it, I'll show you what this all sounds like. People, for their voiceovers, use a premium one like Mirth.ai, which I'll also link in the description below. This is a premium text-to-speech software where you can choose through all of these voices here. Again, I'll link it in the description below. But once you're happy with your video and you've got all of these scenes added here and you've chosen relevant videos, you can then go here where it says generate and you can generate a video. So that's then going to generate this video, which may take a while, just hang in there. Okay, so now this video has been generated, we can now go ahead and click on download. So here is our video, so let's take a look.
Car camping is a fantastic way to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and enjoy the great outdoors. It's a beginner-friendly activity that's perfect for those who love to travel and explore new places, but don't have a lot of experience with traditional camping.
So I'm not going to add all of the video in editing, but that just gives you an idea of what you can do with ChatGPT and Pictory.ai. You are going to have to test things like the music volume and the text-to-speech voice, but generally you can create a pretty good video with those two pieces of software. Leave a like if this was valuable and comment down below if you've got any video suggestions.